guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how I've been curling my hair. I feel like ever since I had chopped my hair off and went shorter that I've been getting so many questions on how I've been styling it, because I like that more messy kind of not put together look. So I've been getting asked a lot on how I achieve that, and I will show you guys for sure how to do that. Hopefully you can hear him, but hopefully he's not too loud for this video because he's out there playing video games, so bear with me. But as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just go ahead and hit that button down below so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And also, don't forget to hit the little post notification bell so that you get notified every time I do upload one. So if you guys want to see how I have been styling my hair, then just keep watching. So usually when I curl my hair, it's second day hair. I actually just washed it last night, so it is pretty clean still, so we're gonna have to dirty it up a little bit. But usually I'll wear it straight the first day or kind of straighten it the night before so I can get up the next morning and curl it. So I do tend to wear my hair curly more than I do straight, but I definitely get at least a good 3 days out of my curls. I will definitely brush them out each day and make them loose and messy, and sometimes I'll just go through and update a few pieces, but nothing crazy. I like to not put as much heat on my hair as I possibly can. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush my hair out really quick because I get super tangly. I'm in the process of growing my hair back out. I don't know if you guys remember, I talked about in a previous video that I used to have black dark hair, and trying to lift that hair to a lighter shade is definitely very hard. Any of you ladies out there, I'm a hairdresser, so any of you ladies out there that understand there is levels 1 through 10 of hair. I was a level probably pushing 1, but I was definitely a level 2, which is dark. So I'm definitely a level 5 now with obviously lighter pieces throughout, so such a huge difference to get it there. And I used to do root color, and I have not touched it in a while. I've been just letting it do its thing and grow out, and it's actually gotten pretty long, and it's getting thick again because it was pretty damaged. So definitely trying to get back to my long hair because I used to have super long hair, and this is really short for me, but I am having fun with it and enjoying it right now while I do have it. So usually if I wear my hair straight the first or second day, I will apply some dry shampoo. So my favorite is the Batiste Dry shampoo, and this is in the shade Divine Dark, which has hints of brown in it, which is nice. So just because my hair is so clean, I'm going to spray a little bit this in so I can get some grit to my hair. And I like some volume when I curl my hair, so this definitely helps do that. So I like to spray that all in and just kind of work it in throughout my hair. Another thing, because my hair is so clean and I like that more gritty feeling so that I can get that textured piecey curl that I'm going for, I'm going to take the Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. And this is definitely the product that helps the whole entire look. You will see me use this multiple times, so I'm just going to take this and I just spray this everywhere just to kind of get it through my hair and my ends, because definitely if your hair is clean, it's not going to hold the curl as well. It's just going to fall out a lot more. So, you know, spray some hairspray or some texturizing spray all throughout your hair. So I do mine in sections. So starting off, I will usually part right above the ear because I don't really have a lot of hair. So, and I take all different size sections and I'll just clip it up and out of the way. So the curler I'm going to be using, I've had this for a while. I got this my senior year of high school, so I've had it for about 5 years now. And this is the Lorion, I believe is how you say it. And these are interchangeable. I have at least 4 different wand pieces that I can clip to this. So for this hairstyle, I have been using the 1 inch. So I'm just going to take, like I said, I take all different size pieces, so I'm going to take a pretty decent size. I like to leave a good amount out, so I'll usually wrap my hair anywhere from 2 to 3 times and leave a good amount of the ends out. I will hold each piece differently. The most I hold it is 10 seconds because I'm not looking for a, you know, a very tight curl. So taking my next piece, same thing, wrapped it 2 times, leaving my ends out. So I'm gonna speed this up so that we can get through this, and once I'm done curling this section, I will show you what I do. Now that that section is curled, I like to spray each of my sections. I'm going to be taking the Amika fluxes, I believe is how you say it, and it is a touchable hairspray. So I'm just going to take this, and I do literally a light spray because we'll go back at the end and spray everything. So just kind of give it a little spray so that it will hold while we do the rest of our hair. So I'm just going to do the same on all the rest of my sections. I'm just going to put this in fast mode so you guys can see, and then at the end I will show you what I do. So once I am all done curling it, I will go through with my hairspray and give it a good spray so it kind of sets into place. Not a lot though, just because we're going to go back in the end and spray it. So let that hairspray sit in for a second and kind of dry, just so you're not combing it through while it's still wet. Once I let it sit for a little while, I will take my comb, any wide tooth comb will work, and I just go through and comb. And don't be scared to actually go deep because you want this look to be messy anyway. So I comb everything out. I get the underneath, I push it back. So once I am all done combing that through, we will go back in with our texturizing spray. And I will just start to lift up layers and just spray everywhere. Sometimes if I want it really, really messy, I will flip my head over and kind of just rough it up, play with it. Sometimes I'll go back in and comb it. I'll comb it with my hands. Just give it that really messy look. And I definitely feel like this style has been in here recently with people's ends being more on the straight side and having all the volume and curls up here. I definitely have been loving it, and it helps me enjoy my short hair just a little bit more because I'm really missing my long hair, and sometimes extensions are just too much to put in. So this has definitely been helping me enjoy having the short hair. So we will finish off by taking our hairspray one more time, and I don't like a lot of hairspray in my hair. I don't like to feel it. It's not my favorite. So I do love this for the fact that it is touchable. I can still run my fingers through it, but I also still don't spray a lot. So just a little bit. And that is pretty much it. So that is it. This is the finished look right here. It usually takes me about 10 minutes to do, so not long at all. Like I said, I take different size pieces all throughout. I don't make them all the same size. I don't hold them all the same amount of time, so it just really helps give me that different curl throughout my hair and help really make it piecey and messy. And like I said, I can usually let my curls go for about 3 days, and I just brush them out each time. I will literally just take my comb and comb it all out. you know, I sleep normally on my hair and it doesn't mess up. And then sometimes by the time I get to that second and third day hair, it will start to get a little frizzy and I will get my flyaways up here. So if so, just take a little oil and just run it through your hair, but the littlest amount because you don't want to lose your volume. One of my favorites is the Kerastase elixir. By far my favorite oil. I actually had this in my hair straight before I started to film. I put it in this morning, so I know I don't have any flyaways, but just really helps add some shine to my hair and just get all those little hairs down and make it look, you know, nice and smooth and shiny. So definitely super easy. Sometimes I'll go in, you know, sometimes they'll just get a little flat and I'll just wrap around the curling iron for like 3 to 5 seconds, go through, brush it all out. But usually when I touch it up, I only touch up this layer. I won't pin it up, I won't put it in, you know, different sections again. I will literally just touch up what is on the top. So super, super easy, super messy, piecey, fun. I absolutely love doing my hair like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!